Go. Up there. Oh, there they go. Wow, they fell. Whoa, that's good. Oh my god. Whoa. That was fast. Look, Zack, we're right behind Grandpa. Oh, here we go. been wanting the roof one for a while. Finally a roof
When it
one.
rains, we can go in the inside car.
You wanted the inside car.
We've got a car with a roof on. Woohoo!
Woohoo! I think it might rain, Mummy. You can got the roof on.
Gotta steer. Don't want to crash.
No, okay, it's not just like
You know, he's not silly.
yeah, that's why it's got the rain on.
I thought it was Zoe Zebra at the zebra crossing. Have they changed it? Am I mistaken, Lise?
I don't know actually. Yeah,
Maybe they've given her a makeover.
We have got Susie Sheep.
Zack, has it always been Susie Sheep or was it Zoe Zebra last time?
So there's smile with this camera.
Cheese.
Oh yeah, smile for the camera. Let's get this right this time. I can't see how it's going to be good knowing the roof's in the way.
You saw the engine.
Oh, it's gone red. No, we don't want to go for... Oh, that's lucky, Zack. We nearly went for a red light there. Are we going to stop for this zebra crossing? Susie Sheep. Can you press some buttons? Going back to the station. The Windy Castle ride. That looks good, doesn't it? Windy Tower, Windy Castle ride. Appropriate day for it, isn't it?
Even the birds are struggling.
I think we're all wet. This way. Let's spin it. Come on. Woohoo!
Dizzy.
Woohoo! Oh my god. Zack, do you know it's at the top of the tower? It's Mummy Pig. Mummy Pig's at the top of the tower.
I'm really going to...
Whoa, it's so fast! Oh my god! Oh,
I'm going down.
scary.
I don't like it.
Oh my god, it's so fast! Whoa! It's really good. Oh, Zack! Woohoo! Let's go faster! Oh my life!
Oh, I don't like it.
Go down.
And then we're spinning now.
I'm trying to get it stopped. We're trying to get it stopped.
Yeah, please stop it.